Hey, what's up, everybody? So, what I'm going to do today is shoot three Angry Birds from a paper airplane. I call it the Mighty Eagle. I got it from an expo at my school, the Minnewaska Area High School, and an Eagle Bank table. They were giving paper airplanes and other stuff. Okay, so about the floor, you might notice something different about it. And it's kind of half the carpet is torn up because of the dogs using the bathroom on it. They've been messing it up. And the carpet was gross. We're going to get a new carpet for the living room. We tore up the carpet in the dining room, as if you can see. So I got like three birds from my three games. Okay, Angry Birds Star Wars. Chewbacca from Angry Birds Star Wars. Chuck from Playing Angry Birds. And Icebird from Angry Birds Space. Okay, so I call mine the Mighty Eagle. See, it says a bank on here. It says Eagle Bank. This is the completed egg. And here is the fail egg. Alright, so first, what I am going to do is try out an Angry Bird. And my mom is making supper, and she's going to see if the Angry Bird passed or not. So, how am I supposed to do this? Ready?
You want me to hold it?
Okay, there we go. Thank you. So, let's see if he survives or not. He looks... Okay, Chewbacca didn't make it, so he's going in the fail egg.
Okay.
Okay. So Icebird is next. You think he's gonna make it because look at him. Place him on here. He didn't make it also. He's going in the fail egg with Chewbacca. I'm not gonna fit all of them in. Okay, last up. Chuck from Playing Angry Birds. Okay, so Chuck's a little nervous about this. So round 1, 2, and 3 didn't get a chance to win. So there's Chuck in there. So would anyone like to do this at home if your child has Angry Birds toys? Angry Birds toys like this and this? Just post a comment below if you think you're gonna do it.